Hold on. Why are you about to scroll? I know you have ripe plantain at home, and this time, instead of frying, make this recipe. You will love it, and it's so delicious. Okay, all you need is just ripe plantain, not overripe one. Okay, you're gonna need some cow meat, bell pepper, onion, tomato paste, flour. If you don't have flour, don't worry, you can make the recipe like that. You're gonna need cheese, ginger powder, garlic powder, oil, powdered pepper. That's all you need. Okay, now follow the process in the video.
Honestly, this feeling really drowning me like rain in summer. And I really don't believe that it took me so long. Should have really shook the scene. I got lost in the crowd, but I gotta be me